Hello, this is Ana from Spotahome. Here we are in Plaza de Ciudad de Brujas. We're going to visit this apartment. This is the entrance door. As you can see, you have a mirror and a table. Over here we have the kitchen. You have a small fridge. You have a microwave. You have a coffee machine. The sink. This is a sofa bed, so you can use it as you choose. Over here we have the bathroom. We have the sink there, toilet, and the shower. You have a table with 4 chairs. You have some shelving space. You have a double bed, 2 bedside tables and lamps. You have a TV over here. You have a window over here, which leads to the street. This is your view. We are right in the historic center of Valencia, just one block away from the central market, which is an iconic place here in Valencia. It's a really nice location. And this is it. Thank you and goodbye.